everyone, welcome back to Spara YouTube channel. You know guys that an alarm clock or alarm is a clock that is designed to alert an individual or group of individuals at a specified time. And the primary function of this clock is to awaken people from their night sleep or short naps, and they can sometimes be used for other reminders as well. So now I'm gonna show you how to set an alarm on your Infinix GT10 Pro easily. Alright, to set an alarm, the first thing that you have to do is you have to go to a clock. And then you can tap on clock. And then go to alarm menu. So if you have a scheduled alarm, you can turn on your alarm as usual like this. And if you want to add the settings of your alarm, you can click plus icon and then you can add the alarm like this. And then you can choose to repeat on each day or every day like this. Click done if you are finished, and the alarm that you currently set will alert you on the schedule. Alright, here's the tutorial on how to set an alarm, and thank you so much for watching.